Congratulations to Bangladesh cricket team. It is the first time Bangladesh won the test series against Pakistan. Actually, it was a fantastic series for Bangladesh cricket team. Alhamdulillah, Bangladesh won this series. It's really appreciable for all Bangladeshi people. In this series, all the players, their performance was really outstanding, and for that reason, we have won this series. All the bowlers, all the fielders, and all the batters, their performance was really great. If I say that Mushfiqur Rahim, Mehdi Hasan Miraj, Liton Kumar Das, especially their batting performance really was impressive. On the contrary, if I say that Hassan Mahmood, Taskin Ahmed, and Rana is a younger player and his bowler performance was really appreciable. All in all, for their performancing, we have won this series, and I believe that if they keep it up their performance, inshallah, then in the next series we will win against India. Probably our next series will against India. So best of luck for Bangladeshi cricket team, and you if you keep it up your performance, inshallah we will win in the next series. So against congratulations for winning this series.